Howdy, neighbors. Lori and Tony showed me the way to Castle Rock. Never been here before. But
not too far out, is it?
No. Nice little beach here. You gotta walk to it, but there's the Castle Rock. And this is just the one side of it. You gotta walk around it to get in here. This seems like it might be a really good place to come fish during the day.
Oh hell, I'm gonna bring my phone out here in a couple days, and I'm gonna be out here every day.
Yeah.
Getting a suntan.
Yeah, well, I can bring my fishing gear out here, but my problem is I'd want to come out first thing in the morning, you know, right at the crack of dawn, and then leave, and then come back in the evenings. Hell with the hanging out on the beach.
Yeah, because last year, I was here last year, and I just floated way out there and just let it go.
Yeah.
A nice scan last year.
Yeah, other than the skin, that's the only reason why I'd come out. There's a couple that just launched and they're already out there in their kayaks. I saw some fish jumping out right where they are right now. And they got fishing gear with them. Yeah, so this is, you know, 2 miles away from Craigie Wash camping. Pretty nice. Alright. This little guy, Lori just spotted. That's my first. What is that again?
Tarantula.
A tarantula in the wild. It's only about 1.5 inches long. Now I gotta start looking out for his granddaddy.
His mama.
Or his mama? Oh. Yeah. Oh. How's that for light? Jeez. Yep.
Ooh, where's the stick?
Yep. There he goes.
No stick on it.
I don't see any sticks.
Found a zip tie.
Oh.
It fell out of my pocket. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. There we go.
All right. Have fun.
Oh, don't go that way. That's my rig over there.
Yeah.
Go the other way. Turn around. Come on, turn around. There you go.
Scoot.
Go far, far away tonight. I don't want you near me.
Later. Howdy, neighbors. Well, the rains have finally commenced. See, what time is it? Okay, they've been it's been raining about 20 minutes. And it hasn't been really that hard until just now when I fired up the camera, because it was really getting noisy on the solar panels in the roof. Yeah. Lori just texted me, we might get to see a river down the road after all. Yep, I was thinking the very same thing. I moved my wood pile out of the wash, put it up on the level where the van is right now, which is at least a foot or so above that, so we'll see what happens. Later. Howdy, neighbors. Well, this is the morning after our big rainstorm. When I videoed the rain coming down yesterday, within about 20 minutes, it had stopped. And we didn't see any flooding. Matter of fact, the sun had come out, and I wasted putting the solar oven back out. I was going to do biscuits last night, but so I threw them in this morning. 51 degrees. Yeah, get out a paper plate. They're pretty much done. So, it's supposed to be 12 degrees warmer than yesterday, which I believe puts us at about 70 degrees today. Okay, it's time for me to have some biscuits. Later.